Hey guys, I'm Ivory and today I will be trying and reviewing the Acavado heated eyelash curler. Now I've tried this off camera a couple times already, so my opinions are already formed, but of course I will be demonstrating this tool to prove to you why my opinions are what they are. I also want to say that I bought this with my own money, that this was not sent to me, and a little backstory about why I wanted to try this if you don't care. I have timestamps in my description box, so you can skip to the application part, the demo part if you want to. But for a lot of people, they just use this guy, you know? It's tried and true for a lot of people. Eyelash curlers, it's not that I hate them, it's that they hate me. Okay, I'm the victim here. I have naturally very short lashes. They actually are a little bit longer right now only because I'm using a serum. But even when I look down, you can see they're short. And not only are they short, but they are downturned. So my experience with eyelash curlers is that first, I can't use them before I use mascara because my eyelashes are so short that I always would pinch my eyelid. And anyone that's been there, you know it hurts like a bitch. And of course, you're gonna say, okay, Ivory, you're too close to your eyelid, then just move down a little bit and then crimp it. If I move it down even a little bit, I'm basically at the end of my eyelash. So it would just be like straight with a little bit of like a ding. It would be just like a 90-degree curl at the very end of my eyelash. That's how short my lashes are. So that's why I don't curl my lashes before I put on mascara. Now when I put on my mascara, honestly, I'm really lazy. I hate the fact that I have to clean my eyelash curler every single time I curl my lashes because otherwise they will stick. And a lot of times, even when I do thoroughly clean them, they still stick to the eyelash curler. And like, what the hell's the point then? The one I'm using is from Revlon, but I've tried a lot of different eyelash curlers in my day to the point where I'm like, okay, I'm really losing quite a bit of money trying these eyelash curlers. Let's stop. But I've tried the one that was smaller, like half the size of this, so that you could get really into every single curvature of your eyelash, and even then I don't like them. So eyelash curlers have a real vendetta against me. So that's why I was interested in trying the heated eyelash curler. I'll link the one that I got in my description box, but this is the box that it came in. Look at this picture. You don't even see her eyelashes. Like, shouldn't the picture illustrate what the product is trying to achieve? Like, I don't see any eyelashes. They're covered by her curtain bangs. If they watch this review, I would rethink this picture. On the side, it says game changer, which okay, calm down. On the back, it says double heated wire, 24-hour long-lasting curl, 10-second preheating, USB charging. It did include a USB charger, and it has an eye-curved comb design. So if you look at the wand, you can see that it's not just totally straight. There is a curve so that you could just lift the lashes. So some thought went into this. Also, this is really unrelated. I know the brand is Acavado, but up until I got the box in my hands, I really thought that it said avocado. So that's it. That's the whole story. I just thought I'd share that with you. So I did charge this yesterday, and it did come with a pamphlet with instructions and illustrations, which is very helpful. So I'm just gonna read it as is. I'm sorry if you can hear the heater in the background. It's cold, okay? It's like -6 today. So I'm sorry if you hear it, but also like I'm cold. So the first step is actually to put mascara on first. I did want to show you how the eyelash curler worked on my natural lashes before mascara, so I'll show you that first, but they do recommend putting mascara on the eyelash before using the device. After that, you let the mascara completely dry. When you turn on the device, so I'm gonna start it. It's hard to see, but this button turned blue. If it's a low temperature, it blinks every 3 seconds, and if it's a high temperature, it blinks twice every 3 seconds. So I'm gonna press it twice. I can see it's blinking twice, so it's a high temperature, and then this button will turn red when it's fully heated. After the mascara becomes dry, put the brush teeth under the eyelash, keep pressing for 15 seconds, and from down to up, press separately. Repeat several times. And that's it. So it's very hard to see. The light is really faint, but the light is red. It's very faint red, and I can feel the heat. It's not as hot as you think. I can touch it completely and I don't feel any pain. I mean, this is going towards your eyes, so it shouldn't be that hot. We're doing this on my natural lashes first, so we're gonna hold this for 15 seconds and kind of like press. Okay, am I not supposed to blink the whole time? Because this is hard. My eyes are like watering because I'm trying not to blink. I suck at the no blinking game. Like the minute someone wants to play with me and they're like, okay, go, I blink. So this is really difficult. Okay. This is quite difficult for me. So if I start crying, which I already see little tears coming, it's because I'm trying not to blink, not because I'm miserable. I mean, that's partly true, but it's mostly the not blinking thing. And I'm really pressing this quite hard. Like I'm touching, if you can see the profile, my eyelid. And I definitely feel the warmth. I'm not uncomfortable at all with the heat, actually. It kind of feels nice. It might be because I'm really cold right now though. And I'm not necessarily keeping a timer about this. I'm kind of just holding this for an extended period of time. Okay, so I definitely held this longer than 15 seconds. Another thing I wanted to say is after some time, I mean, I don't know exactly how long, this does shut off. So you have to keep looking at this button to see if it's still blinking. Because if it's not, then it's shut off, which I think is a safety feature. You don't want to just leave a hot eyelash curler and forget to turn it off. You know what I mean? But it only takes a couple minutes for it to turn off. So it's kind of annoying. I wish it turned off after maybe 10 minutes instead. As you can see, trying to curl my natural lashes did nothing. I do not see a difference. There is no curl here, and I held it for a long time. It actually shut off on me and I had to turn it back on. So yeah, trying this on natural lashes was a no-go, but I did want to go ahead and demo it for you anyways. But I'm next gonna put on mascara. I'm actually using two because this one's almost dried out. At first I'm using the Milk Kush mascara. I don't know how I feel about this. The first time I tried this, I didn't like it because it smudged my lower lash line. So I originally returned it, and then I got this for free on my birthday at Sephora, I think. So obviously I couldn't return it, and I ended up using it again. Same thing happened, it was smudging, and then I kept using it anyways. And after the bottle dried out a little bit, then is when I started to like it. But this bottle got really dry quite fast, so the sweet spot that I liked it was short-lived. So I tried to revive it again using contact solution, and I have the same issue that I had originally, which is that it smudges on my lower lash line. So I mean, I don't think I would repurchase this, but because this is on its last leg, I'm going to be layering it with the e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara. I do actually really like this. It gives me great length and I love the separation. However, if you get any moisture in this mascara, you will be crying black tears. You know, sometimes if you get a little bit teary-eyed, the mascara, it kind of breaks up and it isn't too bad. You can quickly wipe it away. This one, you will have like straight black tears. So there's really no saving your makeup once water hits this. But overall though, I still like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly apply the mascara. All right, so I waited a long time for my mascara to dry. It's been over 20 minutes. I went ahead, I changed my lip color because I was bored, and then I went upstairs, I washed the dishes. I watched an entire episode of Forensic Files, okay? So I have waited a long time for this to dry because I wanted to be 100% sure that when I applied this, the mascara was dry, and if it doesn't work, it's not because it's my fault. Also, you can see right now when I touch my mascara, there's no mascara residue, so we're good to go. Let's turn this on again, and I'm gonna press it twice because I want it to be as hot as possible. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna lift up my lashes and hold for 15 seconds. Do you guys count like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, or do you count like 1, 2, 3, 4? I personally count with Mississippi. You remember that episode on Friends where Ross goes tanning?
No, I barely even got to 3 Mississippi. Mississippi? I said count to 5. Mississippi, Leslie?
That's how I felt. I'm with Ross here. Okay, it's been 15 Mississippis. Okay, not only is my eyelash not curled, but look how much mascara is melted on the eyelash curler. Like, it's taking away the mascara and it's getting on my lid a little bit. I'll wipe this and try again, but like I said, I've tried this before and this is exactly what happened the last time. So the result seems to be pretty consistent. I am gonna try this again on the same eye just so that you can see a side-by-side comparison here. Oh my God, hold on. Oh my God, can you see that? It's smoking. I don't know if I should use this still. It doesn't feel too hot, but the smoke is alarming. We'll do it one more time and this is it. I'm gonna go on the clean side because I don't know, I'm just out of ideas at this point. So 15 Mississippi, here we go.
How do you count to 5?
1, 2, 3.
Damn it!
And I guess I'll just jiggle it around as well. I just want to be able to say that I really tried my best here, okay? Wait a minute. Oh my God, I'm getting actual, do you see the, I see a little bit of a lift, I think. But again, the side is completely covered in mascara. That's not good. And the amount of mascara left on my lashes is far less. Like, it's way less black on this side than on this side. So even if you do get a decent curl, you lose quite a bit of mascara in the process, which I personally don't like. I like a lot of mascara because why would I want all my hard work to be undone? I just waited like 20 minutes for it to dry. I'm gonna just quickly add the mascara back because it's bothering me how different they look. Okay, so this is the third time that I've tried this, so my opinions have not changed. They have been consistent across the board. I do not like this product. I will be returning it because it's a bad product. It does not give a significant curl to my lashes, if at all. And even when I did curl it, it doesn't stay. It quickly falls flat. And you guys saw, even when I applied mascara, I let it dry thoroughly. As soon as I applied the curler to my lashes, it was taking off the mascara onto the bristles, which I do not appreciate. And it really didn't give any curl. And it was smoking. That was the first time that ever happened. So don't buy this. If anyone has suggestions or experiences with heated eyelash curlers, I'm still open to trying them. Because like I said, regular eyelash curlers, they're out for me. They hate me. So I'm definitely open to trying a different one. But that is it for this review. I hope that you enjoyed. I have a feeling that the next couple videos, I'm going to be wearing a lot of the same makeup and clothing. I'm trying to film as much as possible the next couple weeks because in 2 weeks I have a foster coming, and every single time I have a puppy, it is all I can focus on. I cannot film the entire time that a puppy's in my house because there's so much I have to do, and I'm so tired. So I'm trying to create a backlog so that I have a couple videos throughout the week. But if for whatever reason I do skip a week, it's because I have a foster puppy in the house. So don't be worried about me. But that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and feel free to comment down below what other types of videos you'd like to see from me. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I'd love to see you come back. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Oh my god, has my hair been sticking out like that the entire time? Bro, why do baby hairs even exist? Why don't you just grow so that I can put you in my ponytail?